Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. Welcome to Fix It Free. So in this video I will show you how you can add a font to Photoshop. So first, a font is very useful, especially if you are doing designs or some kind of text, different texts. You can download the font online using this via this website, thefont.com, which is the biggest website specialized on fonts. You can find every font you want. There is a lot of font in this website, thousands of fonts in this website with different style, comic, for example, old school. You can choose whatever style you want, Valentine, or a font that it is related to the language. As you can see, here is some languages over here, as you can see. So let's assume that you want to add some font to your Photoshop. So what you need to do, for example, this Pokemon font. So what you need to do is you need to click on download, or this one. I like this one, this Super Mario font. Let's choose this one. After clicking on download, directly the font will be downloaded to your computer and it will be in form of a zip file. Then just locate your font, double click, and you will find the file inside the zip file. So what you need to do is double click again on the file inside your zip file. You will have the installation tab of the font. So what you need to do is you need to install, or if you need to print the font, you can also print the font. Install, and the font will be installed in a few seconds. So just remember the name of the font, as you can see, and we will open Photoshop for this to check if the font is installed correctly. So let's start with the blank page just to test the font if it's working fine. Okay, create. So let's click text, and here on the font tab, on the font section, search for the name of the font, which is Super Mario font, or whatever your font name is. Now let's start testing the font. Super Mario. So that's it, guys. Here is the font ready to use. As you can see, you can add whatever font you want. In this website you will find thousands, if not millions, of fonts. I consider this website the biggest font website. Everyone is using this website. Also, you will find the same type of font in Word and different software. You can find it on whatever software you are using. File, page, setup, format, font. So let's change the font. Here you can find the Super Mario, as you can see. Super Mario, okay. Super Mario. Here is the font. So that's it. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to Fix It Free. Don't forget also to give me a like on this video. And if you want to ask about something related to this video, ask me on the comment. I will reply to everyone. Thank you guys for watching this video.